And your government has called for a neutral international investigation into the Pahlegam attack. Has there been any response from the international community in terms of mediation or otherwise?
You see, we have clean hands. Hence, we said that an impartial inquiry and investigation into the matter be carried out. But you see, since India was very quick at leveling baseless allegations, false accusations against Pakistan, their own inquiry at the local police level has been very faulty. 10 minutes after the incident, they registered a report in the local police station. BBC says that they've quoted an eyewitness which said that the police did not arrive at the scene till 3:30. So there was a time lag, and 900,000 soldiers have been deployed in Kashmir to subjugate the Kashmiri Muslim population. But having said that, why was security not provided at this tourist spot? That raises a lot of questions. So since Pakistan has made this offer, and obviously many of our friendly countries are in touch with us, they are obviously getting a brief on the situation. Let's see how the events fold from here onwards.